All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hapo ka jinyalam uba Samuel Hasha kumu president mentagasngi ka khadatrik nailur arhajar pusan kalayo ban Pyrda no ya ka first state level kickboxing tournament kabala penlong hap lau jung ka office Bharat Scout and Guide halaban ha kani ka tournament lawan mani shimbanta da baro ki district jong ka jilla Meghalaya ki bakantup nadu ka East Khas Hill Garo Hills Ribhoi district but Jainte Hills bat ladon kumba laispa tamngut ki khun samla bat ki hep ki barit ki balawan bani shimbanta ha kani ka tournament ya kane ka program lawan ban Pyrda no da ka kong Idashisha Nongrang ka IPS officer ka baderu ka Director General of Police jong ka jilla Meghalaya.
Good morning, everybody. I'll take a leaf out of Allah's book and I will speak in English. I might lapse into Khasi in between, but I'm sorry for the Garo listeners, for the children of Garos. I am not very confident with my Garo, though I know a bit of it. When Sandra came to ask me to be part of this event a few weeks back, I really did not expect that it would be so many of you all. He said it was a state level kickboxing championship, but he did not tell me that it would include so many young children. I am so happy to see so many of you, and so many of you taking with such enthusiasm, coming from all over the state, from all different parts of from different schools in different districts, and coming here together to compete, to take on the challenge that is here before you, and to do the very best you can. To those four little girls who have just gotten medals, congratulations once again. To the others who helped them in their journey to getting those medals, work harder next time. There's always a next time, and I am very sure that you will do much better the next time around. For all the other kickboxers waiting to compete in today's events and tomorrow's events, as I'm told you'll be having it today and tomorrow, all the very best. It is indeed very heartening to see that kickboxing has become so popular across the state. It is a sport which requires a lot from all the athletes. It is a sport which provides you with a very high degree of confidence, and I'm sure that as you travel in your journey, in your competitions, in your aspirations to do better, you will be able to inculcate the true spirit of sportsmanship and the true meaning of actually being an athlete. You would all be aware that the national games will soon be coming to the state. And in preparation from that, I can see a number of you taking the challenge and hoping and dreaming. I would only say, do not stop dreaming. Do not stop aiming for the stars. One day you will be there and you will be a star. To all the teachers and the parents who are supporting the children, congratulations to you. Sports is something that will stand all the children in very good stead as they journey and as they progress in life. To the organizers of this function, congratulations also. You have worked hard to make this a success, and I'm glad to see that your efforts have fructified. There are challenges in organizing such contests, and I'm happy to see that the Meghalaya Kickboxing Association is doing its very best. Congratulations once again, and wishing all the best to all the kickboxers in the competitions in the next 2 days. Thank you.